spring is in, just like a spring start to smile. Made sense for the gift that we was poolside, gave it everything. June how you moving ice cold, going back and forth with a married man. July, that's when I found out. Tryna build trust, me and D, tryna bag, yeah. Ironic how the news I got about you, you know, being bad. Ain't tryna get a nigga if you talk.
I'll be turning up, or we wasting time. Girl, don't waste my time,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michal. For those of you who don't know, if those of you who do know, hey, welcome back. So it is currently 7:40 and I don't have school today. I had a half day yesterday too, so thank the Lord. But I have to go to a doctor's appointment and I'm running late a little bit because I did not want to get up. So I need to hurry up and do this intro because I'm running late. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my socials in the description box down below. And I hope you guys like the video. And I'm about to get my outfit today because my outfit is just calm. It's literally so cold outside. My sweater is from Fashion Nova. My jeans are from Fashion Nova. My shoes are from Go. And my purse is from Telfar. I don't know if I should wear my Apple Watch because I think it's dead. Oh, it's not. So we don't wear my Apple Watch. But make sure you guys watch the whole video. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. So I haven't done a video in like a year. So I don't know what to say. But make sure you guys like this video and give me more ideas. But I'll come back to you guys later. I gotta go because I'm running late. So bye y'all. It's currently 9:42. I just came back from the doctor. They talking about they don't they talking about they don't have my hold on y'all, hold on. They talking about they don't have my records or whatnot. So I have to come back next week Friday. Like bruh. And I'm gonna go to sleep. That's what I'm about to do because y'all just wasting my time. I woke up at 6 o'clock for no absolute reason. So, but before I do that, I'm actually about to post this reel on my account because I'm trying to get my YouTube account back up and running. I just be really inactive on there. So I've been posting reels lately. I'm about to post a reel before I go to sleep. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, anyway, I'm about to post a reel and I'm about to go to sleep. And I do have to go to the game today, so I'm gonna be back when I'm getting ready for the game. This video is probably gonna be mad short because I literally am not gonna do nothing today. And I don't even think I'm gonna vlog at the game because I don't even have storage on my phone. So this video is gonna be really short, but I'm gonna get back to y'all when I wake up and get ready for the game because I might vlog something else that I'm doing. I might be productive. I have to finish cleaning my room, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna finish cleaning my room and then I'm gonna go get ready for the game. So bye y'all. Hey guys, I just woke up from my nap. It's currently 12:38. Even though I got 7 hours, I still got stuff to do. Like I cannot sit in bed all day because if it's up to me, I would literally sit in bed all day. So I'm about to finish cleaning my room because I don't want to get ready in a dirty room. Like my room's not like dirty. It's just like I got things to clean up. And then I also have to fix my research plan for one of my classes. And by the time I finish that, it'll be about like 3 o'clock. It'll be about time for me to start getting ready or start getting myself together. So yeah, so I'm about to go start cleaning my room right now and then I'm gonna get back to y'all after I finish cleaning my room. Yo, right? Hey guys, I'm back and it's currently 6:11 and I'm gonna start getting ready because it takes me an hour to get ready. And I don't know why I'm trying to do all this yap because I need to hurry up and get ready. So, first of all, we're gonna pick our outfit. I might change it because I do this all the time. I'll pick my outfit before I get in the shower and then I'll wear something totally different. But we're gonna try and pick out an outfit. It's going to be cold outside, I think, because it was cold, mad cold this morning. Mad cold this morning. So, I don't know what I want to wear yet. I'm going to check the weather. Okay, it's going to be like, we're going to be at the game till like 10. So, it's going to be like, low is 54. So, I'm definitely wearing some long sleeves. I'm not playing that. Last time I went, I didn't wear no long sleeves and I was freezing. So, we're not even going to do this today. I know I'm going to wear some of my light wash jeans. These how they look. Cute. And they distressed at the bottom. I got these from Shein or Fashion Nova, I'm not sure. I might wear a cardigan because if it's gonna be cold, I think, like, I don't have any more winter clothes right y'all. My winter clothes are cooked. I don't have no winter clothes because I feel like every year I have a different style and I haven't ordered winter clothes yet, so I don't even know. The clothes are just ugly. I do have this yellow sweater, well, cardigan. It's cute. But I also have another one. I don't know if it's in here, but it's just really colorful and I'm not in the mood for all that. I'm not in the mood for all the color or all the extras. So I think I'm gonna wear this. Just feeling very studious, very, yeah. My white bow is literally broken, so I don't know how we're gonna work with that, but we're gonna try and work with that. So, like, bro, I need my money back because it literally, if y'all could see, oh, now I want to do it, but, oh, it literally unhooked. Yeah, it doesn't hook. And when you add hair, or even when you move it a little bit, it literally, you see, it literally unbuttons. So, you see, it literally unbuttons. It don't button. So, we're gonna try and fix this. But we can go white bow. And then, wear my shoes. I might wear my track runners. I think that's my best bet. Little Balenciaga tracks. So I feel like that's gonna match. It's gonna be cute. So that's what we're gonna wear to the game. So I'm about to go get ready, and I will see y'all when I'm getting out the shower, or when I'm out the shower. Yeah. Okay, so I just got the shower and I'm done. Like, I have my outfit on right now, but I'm about to do my skincare or whatever. I already washed my face, but I need to grease it and all that. So did I grab too many or did they like make it thicker? Okay, but I'm trying to hurry and get ready because my friends literally will be like, okay, we're on our way, and you will literally still be in the shower. So I'm trying to hurry up and get ready. But this is a homecoming game, so hopefully it's fun. I think they usually do whiteouts at their homecoming games, and I don't mess with that. My hair is not brand new, but it's not old for me to be getting powder in my hair. Hard pass. Y'all, I am so tired. I've been up since like 6. No, I took a nap, but like that nap was like a baby nap because I had went to sleep at like 1, and I woke up at 6, and then I took that nap, that baby nap. So I'm still mad tired. Like, still mad tired. But Hopefully this game is fun and hopefully it's not boring, because usually whenever I go to because some games do be boring and I literally just be like gonna fall asleep at the game. Like, I need some fun going on, like something to keep me up. One thing about me, I love sleep. I could fall asleep anywhere. But I'm gonna let this dry on my face and then I'm gonna come back after it finished drying. I'm probably gonna fix my lashes because they look crazy. But I'm gonna let this dry, I'm gonna fix my lashes and then I'll be back. I don't know what the group chat got going on. Nobody's texting the group chat. If they don't text, baby, I'm gonna go to sleep. That's what I'm about to do. Skin clear, ready to go to sleep. I don't even play like that. But I just got so many things to do tomorrow. Baby, I don't have time to be even going to no game. So what I'm about to do is after I finish greasing my face, I'm gonna go lay down and go to sleep. When they call or text or something, then I'll come back. Oh, I'm gonna come back and update y'all. But for now, I'm about to go lay down and go where? To sleep. Hi guys, this is editing me. I didn't end up going to the game. It was just a lot going on. There was no rides going on. It was just too much. So I didn't end up going to the game. But that is the end of this video. I'm so sorry. This video did not go how I planned it to go. But the next video is for sure gonna it's gonna be good. I promise y'all. Please bear with me. Please bear with me, because I don't even know what this video was. I don't even know what to say. I guess it was be productive with me because I didn't go to the game. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, because I promise y'all it will not be like this again. I'm sorry, but I do gotta upload a video for my page, so I am gonna still upload this video. But please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my socials down in the description box down below. And I love y'all so much.